Hi, welcome back to Music Chemistry. This is Stoichiometry Lesson number 5. Okay, let's look at the first problem. The elements lithium and oxygen react very violently to form lithium oxide, Li2. How many moles of lithium oxide will form if 2 moles of lithium are used in the reaction? Okay, well, let's get this started. So the first thing we have to do is write an equation. So we have lithium plus oxygen. Remember, oxygen is diatomic. So we have to give them 2, react to form lithium to oxide. Okay, we know that's minus 2 charge, and this gives me plus 1 charge. So we do the crisscross, and that's how we get that compound. All right, so now let's make sure we balance it. So we have to put a 2 in front of the lithium here. Okay, now what we got is we have 2 moles of lithium, and we want to know how many moles of lithium oxide will form. Well, you get 2 moles of lithium times, now you need the molar ratio, so it's a 2 moles to lithium to 1 mole of lithium oxide. See that? So now we cancel out the moles just like that, and the answer is it makes 2 moles of lithium oxide. That was a pretty easy problem. All right, now let's look at the next problem here. It's a little bit different, okay? In some respect, it says how many moles of ammonia are produced when 7 moles of hydrogen gas react with an excess of nitrogen gas. And again, the first thing you have to do is write down the chemical reaction. So we have hydrogen gas, H2, plus nitrogen gas, which is also N2. Both hydrogen and nitrogen are diatomic, so when they're by themselves, we always write them as like H2 or N2. It yields to make ammonia, which is NH. Okay. So the first thing we want to do is to make sure that we're going to balance the chemical equation. So you have 3 hydrogens here and 2 hydrogens there. So we're going to have to go ahead and put a 3 in front of hydrogen and a 2 in front of nitrogen. And that will give us a balanced equation. Okay, now we got 7 moles of hydrogen gas. So we go 7 moles of H2, right? And we want to know how many moles of ammonia. So let's look at the molar ratio. It's a 3-to-2 ratio. We have 3 moles of hydrogen. They go on the bottom. So we're comparing this to this as well. And this gives me 2 moles of NH3 on the top. Multiply the top together, divide by the bottom, and you get 4.67 moles of NH3. Well, that's it for this lesson, guys. You be snarly, and we'll see you back here at Music Chemistry.